guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is actually a quick little share on AliExpress. I didn't even realize they were having a sale, but it ends in one day, 14 hours, 56 minutes, and 22 seconds. But some of the stuff that I got is on major sale, and I'm annoyed because I paid the full $3. Like for instance, this ribbon right here. I wanted it because it is a little bit wider. I want to cut it in half and then be able to use the scallop part on like some embellishments and, you know, banners, and you can put like a little sentiment on the top of it with just the scallop part hanging out. So definitely $1.89 is a great deal on this, and free shipping. And look at all the gorgeous colors that it comes in. I'll probably get some of the other colors that I didn't get when it wasn't on sale. Okay, but the majority of this is containers for sequins. So cute. I saw Jenny, who is Crafty Hilo. She posted these adorable little ice cream. Where are they at? Here they are. They're lip gloss containers, but you can put sequins in there. You just, stick them in there, and this little lid screws on. They're so cute. They come in different colors. Or we're probably sold out of colors, gray. But this set is five pieces, and they are only $2.76. Shipping is $1.27. So this is like $4.27, and I paid a full $4 or something like that for these. So definitely a great deal. You can always just get one if you want, 66 cents plus $1 something, but it's not a great deal if you're buying only one. And then look how cute these are. These are like a little pink ice at the top, and then you can stick stuff in there if you want. These are originally lip gloss tubes, so keep that in mind. But look how cute those are. 71 cents. And then where's the other one? These ones are cute little mason jars, but look at all the different other designs. You just gotta look around and see what's cheaper, but these are them. Look at how cute is this little mason jar. It's got the little lid, like how a lid would screw on, a little bow detail on there. Super cute. And then these ones, these are like ice cream shape. One is $1.27 with free shipping down here. There's mint, super cute. I totally think I'm gonna pick up some of these. Then we have these fun Gumball Machines. These are itty bitty. These are like embellishment size, you guys. Get a couple of M&Ms in there, but you get 12 of them for $6. So that's like 50 cents a piece, basically. The reviews, I was like, why does it have bad reviews? They come some of them come disassembled, if that makes a sense. Okay, well, there's not like this part is like in half into two, and you just gotta like either snap it together or glue it together. I'm not sure, depending on the transit. So keep that in mind. I don't mind though. And then these guys, look how cute these little boxes are. As you can see, like the candies they have in them. This one in reference is a bunch of jelly beans, and it's clear. And I love the way that it like drips down, and it comes in all the super cute colors. Super cute. $3 free shipping, and you get 5 of them. For instance, here's a perfect example. It doesn't say how many you get. You're like, what the heck? But if you scroll down here, it'll say 5 pieces, 5 this, 5 that, blah, blah, blah. So super cute. And then you guys, from my downtown LA shopping, I happened to just, when I was looking at all the other containers, these guys popped up, and these are what I hauled from downtown LA. So it comes in sets of 6, 12, 24. So here's clear, just exactly how I have 6 pieces, $6, free shipping. Okay, so that is everything, you guys. I'm just sharing because these are, you're talking dollars off. With this sale, it's not just a couple of cents, it's dollars. So I better share now before my haul, and then they're not on sale. All right, bye guys. Catch you on the next crafty video.